Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. I always forget to do these intros. I got everything set up and ready to go, and there's like, oh wait. Anyway, I'm getting everything prepped. This is the 52-100 recurve blade that was probably in the last video, unless I do the bevel video, which I've got like 4 videos that I'm working on at the same time, trying to catch up with everything, and I just put a little bit of footage here, a little bit of footage there, and all that. But anyway, I digress. This is 52-100, so we don't have to do anything to it. These two, if you know my obsession with Hamones, are W2. I went ahead and drilled all the holes for weight, and I did that too on this one, drilled all the holes for weight. But what I want to do is I want to put clay on them. I see all these guys on Instagram and all that do these awesome designs in fire. I'm going to try, I'm not going to do the fire and all that. I'm just going to put thin, straight lines and see how it comes out. Because I have a theory that however you put the clay on, it's still going to come out curvy. So I think those guys are up to something fishy. But anyway, let's just get to it. I'll put my website up here in the cards. It's the first one down in the description, along with Amazon links and all that good stuff. I got shirts, knives, and all that good stuff on my website. Let's just do it. So I'm busting out the paintbrushes on this one, and I'm gonna use the same clay as I do for, you know, always. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to it. I got a little bit of water here. And I'm gonna put in a cup, and then we're gonna try to brush it on as straight as possible. This will just sit on the sidelines and watch. Alright. I got this. The cement is down in my Amazon links, and this parchment paper's down there. Alright, let's get to it. You probably won't need more, so what I always do, I got this. Oh yeah. I take a nail and I put the nail in there and then just wrap it. That way it doesn't get all hard and nasty. Alright, let's just add just a teeny bit of water on this. Got my big brush. Alright, that might be too runny. I think that's too wet. I'm gonna put some out. Well, you'll see. I'll put some more out. I'm gonna let this dry, because man, that's just way too runny. Actually, this is good. I'm doing one with the thick stuff that you just saw me put out on the paper. And then I'm going to let this one dry out and do the other side. Now let them sit overnight. And we'll see if there's any difference or any, you know. Time to call bullshit on all these Instagram guys. There's one. Now I gotta let the other one dry, and I'm just gonna paint it like this, like I did the first one. And then I'll see you back. It will probably be heat treating in a second. Got some new gloves that actually fit, and I keep these around for wiping the blades off now. Since I'm doing W2 and fast quench, I got a wet towel. I remember last time it flared up. But we got the McMaster card here, so I'm gonna turn this on. We're doing 52-100 first. So McMaster Car 11 second, we'll heat that up to 120. The oven's at 1500, but I have a feeling the minute I open the door, it's gonna go down to like 14 something. So we'll put this in for 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. We're right at 1500, but when I open that door, it's gonna go down. Oh, I gotta get the smoke alarms off. Here we go. Woo! Alright, we are in. 1460, that's not too bad because I let it heat up for a while. But I see smoke coming off the deal, so let's get that. Let's get these gloves on. I got my old glove to wipe the blade off. Now 52-100, you never use anti-scale. Well, I guess you could if you want to, but I never use anti-scale because I've tried it a few times, and that's when I always get like a 57 or a 55. With 52-100 and 80 CRV, anti-scale just, I guess because it's such a slow quench anyway. Alright, here's the tongs. Let's make sure they're wiped off. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's see where our temps are at. 100, 101. That should be good. I'd rather have it in the 120s, but we're only using this for the 5200, then we're switching it out for the Parks 50. Here we go. All the way in, no hormones or nothing. Smoke detectors are down, so I don't have to worry. I have to buy 3XL gloves to make them fit. Oh man, that's why all these other gloves are just for wiping down oil. Oil and stuff, I can't even speak. Here we go. See, boom, just comes right off with 52-100. Alright, I'm gonna put my oven actually down to 1450. I saw someone say, I was reading, for the best hormones you put between 1425 and 1475 with W2. So I'm gonna give it a shot. And then they say you dip it for 3 seconds, and then take it out for 3 seconds, and then dip it for 8 to 10 more. So we'll give it a shot. Let me reset this. 1460. That's what we'll try. Alright, let's open this door. Get it down, because it's at 1500 already. Woo! Lit up! Oh, we went down to 1410. Right when I close it back up, we're at 14. It's skyrocketing. So let's put this in. W2, no anti-scale. We're giving it a fair shot. We're trying our best at this. All right, 1480, 1440. So we'll even out. Okay, good. And it says 5 to 10 minutes. So here we go. 1419, 1420. And now she's gonna skyrocket back up. When it gets to 1460, I better make sure to put step 3 on 1460, or it'll ramp from 1460 up to 1500 over however much time I got it on there. All right, so we're at 1445. I'll be back. So it's 5 to 8 minutes, so we'll give it like 6 or 7. Here we go. I got wet rags here. I mean, drippy wet. Because last time I tried Parks 50, after like 2 knives, it flares up. And it's hard to put out. You know, usually when you dunk it with McMaster Car, it goes out. But, yeah. I'm not taking any chances. Our oil's at about 90. We've been in there about 6 or 7 minutes. Let me wipe off these tongs. We'll do it. 3 seconds in, pull it out for 3 seconds, and 8 to 9 seconds more. Here we go. One 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. 1,000, 1,000. Three cameras set up and I'm probably missing this. Look at all this smoke. That's why I take my smoke detectors off. Alright. Woo! Yeah, let's see how it is. It'll be interesting. Next W2 and I'm just gonna drop that in. I'm not gonna, you know, do the 3 seconds in, 3 seconds out. We'll see. Alright, where's our oil at? Yeah, 164. I got a fan right there I'm going to turn on and hopefully cool it down some. This is why it flares up so much. Whew. We're at 1428, so we're going up to 1460 and then let it soak for 5 or 10 minutes. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, now I will say, I can see the lines where the hormones were, right here. Here's where the clay was. I can see all the lines. Here's where the clay was. So I might get straight lines. Now, here might be something else they're doing. They put it in the temper and then they polish it out like that without etching it. That way these things are black and I don't know. I'm curious to see how it works out. But it won't be tonight or tomorrow because I gotta etch it. I mean, I gotta finish them all out. I'm just killing time. We're at 5 minutes on there. The temps came down to like 130, so we should be good. That's why I like to let it cool down a little bit. You know, this went from 165 to 135. I had this over there to fan it out, trying to cool it out. Plus the fan in the background, so this one we're just going straight on in. And just leaving it there. I guess I should have taken the fan off the oil first. Woo, this one barely fit. I have that fan to keep my PIDs and all that cool in my relays for the oven. Alrighty. Some odd patterning there. That might be promising though. I do see straight lines, so that would be cool. If I have to eat my words, I'll eat my words. I'd rather have nice hormones than be right. Yeah, man. Alright, let me let this cool down. We'll get the 1095 in there. It's already back up to 1460, so keep this open a little bit. Go down to 1400. Oh. Alright, we're at 1370. I might have gone a little too far. I'll be back. That's alright. We need time for this to cool down. Where's it at? 189, see? So, or 187. So, 1385, that's plenty of time to let this heat back up. I'll be back. Alright, here goes the 1095. I got it down to 150, 149, 150. So, whew, close to flashing point. I'm just going to do this 1095 and then the second one's just the exact same thing. So, I didn't do any special things to it, so. We'll just do this one 1095 and Then maybe I should have just dipped in the next one. Alright. Ooh, better get my glove on. Good. About to reach in there with my bare hands. Here we go. $10.95 clay stays on better. Good Lord. I guess we did do the 3-second dip and pull out. See how it works with $10.95. Good thing I quit smoking, huh? Gee. Woo. Four down, one to go. Let's see where our tempers are at. Yeah, back up to 180. Leave this door open until we get back down to 360. That seemed to be the good temps. Need time for that to cool down. Whew, last one. I'll be back for the quench. All right, last one. Same as last. Here we go. Alright, since I just dipped all these straight in, I'm gonna try to HRC test them on the big machine instead of the files. I know I can't do like where the clay was, but I might be able to test it like back since I dipped the whole thing. So we'll have to see. The blades I can't do because, you know, they're they're concave or convex or flat or whatever. Alright, to the HRC tester. First off, 52-100, right over 68. Woo! Yeah, man. So I've tested them all, and every time I test them in a different spot, it gives me a different answer. This is the highest I've got at 62. So let's go to the files. Whew! So as you just saw, these weren't too consistent, but we got a 65 here. Yeah, like glass, boom, like glass, boom, woo, doesn't even touch it, trying to dig in, it won't let me, yeah, alright, so I went and looked at these are all, I'm going to put these all for first temper at about 400 degrees for 2 hours. And, yeah, I think that's about it. Make sure to comment. Let me know what you do for your hormones or for your heat treat. Do you have your own oven? Have you built an oven like I built mine? Or do you do it with a fire and a hair dryer? Or let me know how you do your heat treat and how your knife making progress is coming along. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff we tell you. I'll put my website up in the cards. It's the first link down in the description. Woo, I'm tired. First link down in the description with Amazon links and all that good stuff. Let's see, I'll put Knife Making 101 right here. I'll put Making the Recurve, this knife right here. I'll put subscribe here, so make sure to hit it. And my website's right here. Hope y'all having a great day. I need a break. I can't even talk. Take it easy.